Mic check, mic check. Let me know if my mic is good. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Mic check, mic check. Let me know if my mic is good. Can you hear me? Can you hear me? Mic check, mic check. Just want to make sure you can. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm gonna get right into it, Fabi. I'm used to waiting. Yo, what's happening? What's happening? What's happening? What's happening? Shout out to the homie for bringing me up, making me do this stream. Shout out to the homie, appreciate that. Now let's. I don't want to waste nobody's time in this. Let's get it. Let's get it going right off the rip. I don't want to waste no time. All right, we're talking about doing trades on the stock market. Okay, we already understand that. Got it out there. So I'm gonna go straight into it. There's two differences between doing the trades and stuff like that. Okay, you have people who is trading stocks. Now, if you want to trade stocks, you could trade stocks. The reason why I don't trade stocks is because you have to buy the stock with your own money. So I'm not doing none of that. And if I can go into it, it's like, let's say it's Google or Tesla or something like that. You have to use your own money to do that. So we're not doing that. Then you have fiat trading. Fiat trading is like you taking currencies against each other. So I'll take the Japanese yen and put it up against the US dollar. I'm not doing that. What I trade is futures. So that's what we're gonna focus on right now. You gotta understand there's two type of traders. You have day trading, and then you have swing traders. The difference is the day traders, they get their trades done in one day. Okay? Swing traders, they may hold it for anywhere over a day to 2 days, a week, or whatever. We not doing none of that. Only thing we focusing on is futures because that's where we make the money at. Now you can take the money after you make it, and then you can invest into like straight trading stock or something like that. Right now, the thing is, we don't want to use our own money. We want to make some money so we can trade into stock. Okay. Let me know if you with me. And don't do this, by the way. What I'm doing, I'm drinking while I'm while I'm doing this. Okay. I'm gonna keep it moving though. The first thing I want you to understand first thing you need to understand about trading the stock market is market structure. Write that down. And I'm gonna show you what I believe is market structure. Just give me a second, real quick. Okay, Bobby with me. That's the only thing that matter. Let me see. This, believe it or not, is market structure. And this is why, if you can see my mouse, that little finger over there, it's showing how the market is being ran at this moment. So you can see it went up right here, it went down, it went up, it went down, and then went up higher. Then it took right here. This is I'm on a 5 minute, by the way. It is, and it went all the way down to here. Then it built itself back up, and then it went back down. These are patterns that you want to look for when you're dealing with market structure. Basically, market structure is the higher highs and higher lows. So let's just say right here, I'm gonna just draw this right here. This was the low in the market as we seen. I'm gonna bring it down just a little bit because this was lower. Where that blue line at, that's where it went down low. If you got any questions, please ask them. And then you have the market high, which would be right here. If I'm correct, that's all-time high. And right now, we trading right now. I'm not trading nothing right now, but you want to identify the low of the market and the high of the market. Just the high, this is the low. Okay, I'm gonna take this off. If y'all don't mind, take this off over here too. I'm gonna remove the line. Anything in between that is the build up to it being high or low. Now, what do we want to look at? We want to look at how did it get there. So I'm gonna put it back up there again. How did it get there? We'll scroll back a little bit. Don't worry about, I already know what some of the questions might be, but please ask them. You know what I'm saying? And this is a live market. If you can see right here, the market is moving. This is why I don't trade stocks. I don't trade fiat or the futures is the way to go, because the thing is you want to take the money that you make from the futures, and if you want to put it, let's say you want to put it into uh, stocks, take that money and put it into the stock. Don't take your money. Make some money first, okay? So that's the first thing I want you to identify. Let me know if you with me. Any questions, I'm ready for them. If not, I'm gonna keep going. I'll slow down though. I know I'm talking real fast, bro. Matter of fact, I'm gonna step back for just 1 minute and fill up this glass. Do we have any questions? This is called market structure. I'll go into it a little bit later, but I don't want to hold nobody up. So make sure you write down, like, and put it in YouTube or something like that, how to define market structure. But market structure is basically, as far as I know it, is just being able to identify the market as far as when it went up, like right here. You know what? That's not a good example. Let me get into it. And you notice the market is moving right now. This is market structure. It went up and it went down. We go back a little bit. You can see it went up, it went down a little bit, went up, went down, went up, went down. Now, the thing is about market structure, what that helps you do, it helps you identify which way the market's going. So you can see right now as went down big time right here. Then it went up. No, it went down, then it went up, then it went down, and went up, and all this identified. So if you're looking at it right now and you see this right here, because this is a live market right here, that it's going down. What commodities or stocks are you trading? I'll get to you in 1 second. 1 second, Favi, I got you. The commodity I'm trading is right here. It's the MNQ, which is micro NASDAQ. Now, make sure you write that down. It's the micro NASDAQ, but you gotta understand it's two of them. The micros are less. Now, I can do this right here and just go into NQ, which is the NASDAQ. What's the difference between the two? That's a great question, dog. I'm glad you asked that, Fabi. But it's two of them for each one. You have the micro, which is less than a mini. Now, if you look at the NASDAQ, that means you're gonna risk more money to do it, but it's gonna be more profitable to you. But if it go against you, it's gonna cost you even more. So the thing, and anybody will say this who trade the stock market, they will always tell you that futures is the best. Because the thing is, you want to make money first. Let me know if I'm going too fast. What was this? Yeah, I remember you. I remember you. What up, bro? So that's the one thing you want to know. The thing I want people, if I would say, if you're going, yeah, I'm good, bro. I appreciate you. Um, the one thing I want you to know is that you only should concentrate in the beginning as a beginning trader is in NASDAQ. And then let me show you the other one. I have to type it out. The ES. You want to know that. ES. Which is here we go with this bullshit. I gotta ignore that. It's the ES. Let me just get it right. It's the ES. These are the simplest ones to trade by. Now they got many other ones. I don't want to. I don't want to flood. And you know what? Let me not do that. I don't want to flood nobody. But the ES is basically the S&P 500. I'm gonna sit back for a minute and let you digest that. Focus on them two. Either the ES, which is the S&P 500. Good pace? Okay, good. Or you're gonna deal with the NQ, which is the NASDAQ. But like I said, it's two versions of both. The ES will pay you more, but it's also going to if you losing the trade, it's gonna take more for you. It's gonna take more from you. Now, me personally, I would say do this. I would trade the micro, the micro. It's M and Q, M and Q. Okay, I gotta remember this shit. Okay, M and Q. That's what I would trade, the M and Q. You also have a micro S&P. It's less money that you're risking. Because when you take these trades, when you take the trades, you have to be focused on how much you're willing to spend. I don't know if that makes sense. Now, it's other ones up in there as far as trading futures, but the thing is, you don't want to lose that much money. Okay? Let's get back to market structure though. Please put down on your paper, go onto YouTube and put in YouTube learning market structure. And the reason why I say this is market structure to me ain't nothing but this, but I don't want you to take my definition for it. It's just understanding the highs and the lows and everything in between. This is a high, this is the low. Let me shorten up a little bit. This is a high, this is a low. Now, how we get there is the most important thing. So you can see once it reached the high, this red candle, the red candle is a short or a put if you trade in stocks. What you basically doing is deciding whether it's going to go up or down. Just keep it right there right now. I remember talking to you yesterday, 5E, about two strong candles. This candle right here, let me open it up just a little bit. This candle right here is a strong candle. and another strong candle came after that, but it reached the high and then it got rejected way down here, which brought it to a low. So never trade when it's going to the high. You want to find your way somewhere in between these highs to bring it up there. Do that make sense? Trading at the high is not a good thing. Come on, wait a minute. Okay, it's not a good thing because you can see what happens unless we can also go back in history. So this was an all-time high. The market never seen this. So mark out where you at and then start figuring out what's the middle. Okay? Another thing I want you to write down is being able to read the candles. The candles tell a story. And it's not 100%. Because it's a whole thing about probabilities. People will say it's gambling. It's not really about gambling. If you have the right, if you understand the candles. For example, let's start right here. Let me get my drawing tool. Do I need my drawing tool? I should get it. Oh yeah, I forgot I'm on this shit right here. Okay. So you see this candle right here. It got down as far as it can go. And if you look across right here on this day, this was December 24th. This was Christmas Eve. If you notice, it never went too far under Christmas Eve. Let me bring this up a little bit. It never went that far. A little bit here, but that was like the place where buyers step in. So the buyers didn't let it get to, if you look, 1, 2, it went crazy on this one, but this was on the 24th. And then let's see right here, it tried to go lower, but the buyers wouldn't let them have it. This is 26th, the 25th. Let's come over here. What is this? This is 26 also, and will be also the 26. It tried to go low, but this is where I would say, as of right this moment, I'm watching this. If it hit somewhere around here, I'm thinking that it's gonna go back. And look right here. This is live right here, though. You see how I hit it again? And look what it's doing. It's bouncing back up. Now it can go lower, but we're dealing with live markets right now. It could go lower, but right now it's bouncing off of that. That means they don't like this shit. It's being rejected. You're not going lower. That's what the buyer is saying. Could it go lower? Yeah. But if you look at the probability, it's more likely to go up. Let me know if you're with me. I also see these two, this one and this one. Remember, if I see 2 candles, I'm interested in this. I'm very interested in this. Because you had 2 strong down pulls, but it never crossed this. So make sure that you're looking up, number 1, market structure. Learn that shit. It's not hard. That part ain't hard. And then learn how to read candles. Each one of these are a candle. And I'm on right now on a 5 minute. But let me take you back a little bit. I'm gonna go to a daily candle. This is a mess. I'm gonna bring it down though, make it right. For this, every candle represents 1 day of trading. This is 1 day, this is 1 day, this is 1 day. Okay? Now, Favi, from your best guess, and we're looking at market structure. Let me get these lines out the way. Take a guess where you think it's going. Is it going up or is it going down? This is a daily candle. So each candle represent 1 day. There's no wrong answer either. It's how you view it. I'm just I'm just giving you an example. That's it. That's all. It's going up. Okay. Good, good, good. I would say drawing a horizontal line, this blue line right here, yes, it's definitely going up. We're gonna take this line back out. So it appears to be going up, but look at the red candle up at the top. And look at this one right here. Right here. And let's go to the about right here. Reason why I'm picking this is because that was as low as it went. Now you have to think about this too. This is the high right here. So what you want to see is it break this line right here, and it's gonna go for the high. That's a trade I wouldn't take. I would want to see it to go lower, but this is on the daily. Let's keep it moving. Let's keep it moving. Let's go to the 1 hour. So everything, let me get this out of here. Let's get all that shit out of here. I'm gonna open it up a little bit. And looking at the 1 hour, now what do you see? What did it look like it's gonna do? This is a live candle right here. What do it look like it's gonna do? I'm gonna open it up a little bit more. There's no wrong answer either. Give me 1 second. stay straight. What I'm looking at, what I'm looking at right now is I think it's gonna break down because it didn't show this before. Right here, broke down a little bit, but you know what? I can be wrong. I can be wrong. I can be wrong, but if I was a betting man, I'm gonna say this motherfucker is going down. So I'm gonna do something that I really don't do. I'm gonna take a trade, and this is on my account over here. It's the 50K trading combine. I explain all that shit a little later, but I think it's going down because I'm watching it, and just to make sure, I'm gonna draw a line here, and I'm gonna draw a line at the high of this sequence. Now this is what you call chop. It's going sideways. So I want to see what the next candle gonna do. This is on the hourly, but I'm not gonna take that trade because it's on the hourly. But work your way from work your way from the back. Pause. Work your work your way from the 1 minute. I mean from the daily all the way up. So we're gonna keep it going though. I'm just looking at it though. I'm just watching it right now. And this is where patience come in. I'm thinking it's gonna break. So we're gonna go from the 1 hour because I like to trade on the 5 minute. Let's see what the 5 minute look like. Same shit. Just opening it up a little bit. And I'm saying it's gonna go down. But we're gonna leave that part somewhere else because I don't want to hold you up all night. I know I got shit to do in the morning. I know you got shit to do in the morning. So our next thing I want you to write down is being able to read candles. Write it down and then go into YouTube and they have a whole chart of how you can read candles. But I'm gonna give you my best, the best thing I can give you as far as reading candle. I'm gonna open this up some more, expand it. Candles tell a story. This candle right here, let's say this candle right here, we're looking at, I got this right here. This is considered the body from end to end. Let's go to the next candle though. This is also the bottom, a body. But if you look at the top, you see these little stems on both ends. That means it went up that high right here, or went up that low. This strong candle right here pushed it up, and then the buyers came in. That's what it's all about. It's about the struggle between buyers and sellers. Who's winning it? It's a tug of war. Who's winning it? Right here, the buyer said, you know what, fuck that. We're going my way. And the sellers tried to come in, but they didn't get it down there. Now, on this candle right here, it went as low as this, and it went as high as this. These are the stems that I'm looking at. So when the buyers came in, sellers came in. The red is the sellers. The buyers are the green. The sellers try to come in and bring the price down, but they didn't get nowhere. So let's go to the next candle. You see this stem? You'll see the stem right here. This is high as it got. This is the body. And this is how low it got. But then it pushed up. This is the body. This is the stem. So it got up to here, but sellers pushed it down. What you have right here. Now look at this stem. This is how low it got, but the buyer stepped in and took over that motherfucker. That's why I went higher. And then the seller said, fuck all y'all, and took it down more, took it down more, took it down more, took it down more, took it all the way down. All right, I don't want to hold you up, man. I ain't gonna keep going on that. But make sure you put in your shit is reading candles. They got plenty places on YouTube that you can go and learn how to read the candles. Market structure first. Learn market structure first, and then learn how to read the candles. Because if you just look at this shit, it's like, what the fuck am I doing? No, learn that. I think I already talked about is trading in time frames, but I'll give you another example of reading the time frames. I'm in the 5 minute right here. If I pull this down, these are ticks. Everything go by ticks. Okay. So every time it tick up, like it's ticking up right now, it's ticking up right now, that's money to be made. Or if it's ticking down, the vice versa. But when you trading, you want to go back and look in the past. This is a 30 minute. Now what it look like? Do it still look like it's going up or look like it's going down? Now, it don't determine everything, but you want to keep this in mind. And once again, we still have our level right here. Anytime we get around here, and it just did on the 30 minute right here, the last 30 minute candle that was formed right here, it went down, but now it's bouncing back up. So this is our level right here. I did that perfectly. Okay? Don't worry about doing too much. Don't worry about doing too much as far as that, just we doing the time frames. Now, it's a reason why I picked 7:30 to do this, because I want to have enough time, because when trading, you got to understand trading is global. So it's 8:08 p.m. right now. What I know is that at 8 o'clock, Asian market kicks up. So right now, Asian market is making its way, and it looked like it's trying to push it up. You have the Asian market, you have the European market that comes in around 2 in the morning. It ends at probably about 12. But the most dangerous market is the New York market. The reason why I say it's the most dangerous is more volatility. It's more people trading, so the market can go fluctuate up and down whenever it wants to. So definitely look up how to deal with the different markets. Me and yourself, we work first shift. So I'm looking. I only trade with this. They call this slow markets. Fast markets is between 8:30 in the morning and 3 o'clock, 3:30. From 8:30 to 3:30 or 4 o'clock, whatever. It's very hard to trade on that. It's very fast. That's why they call it fast markets. This is slow markets right here. Start off with slow markets. Slow markets start at 5 o'clock, but don't trade it at. Wait till about 7:30 to see which way the market is going. That's when you want to go back and you want to look at the different time frames. As I say, right now I'm on a 30 minute. Let me go back to the 5. Here's a pro tip for you. I'm gonna do this right now. Going in YouTube. I'm gonna go to YouTube real quick. Cause I wanna sit you on I wanna put you on the right path, bro. Right here.
Now let's make sure I get this, I word this correctly. For anybody asking what my recommendation at Top Step is, it's
I don't
spend
know
the
if you
least
can
amount
hear
of money.
that, but that's
If
Coach
anybody is
Dakota right
brand
there.
new and you're like,
Let
oh,
me
should I just
stop
come
it
in
real
and
quick.
start 5?
He comes in at 7:30 from Sunday to Thursday. He trades slow markets. He also trades fast market. And he right now he's in a trade. He's in a trade right now.
5 combines and copy trade 5 combines and
And
try
he's
and get 5
already
XFAs and do
killing
that.
it. He's up
I wouldn't recommend
$5,000.
it if you're new. Spend the least amount of money, right? Like $50 for a 50. Like
If
a
you got
50K
time,
combine.
at
Practice it,
7:30
get used
tomorrow
to it,
or whenever you get time
learn,
to do it, go to
and
this
then as you gain
channel,
your
Top
confidence,
Step
you're able to
TV,
get
Slow
that to an
Markets with
XFA, take
Dakota.
the payouts.
Dude is
But
a beast.
yeah, you don't want to
What
just
up,
jump in
Andrea?
with both feet
Shout out to you.
because
Dude
you're
is
gonna
a
get hit
beast.
by the market. It's not a
He's
matter of
very
if,
good
it's
at
usually
what
a
he
matter of
do.
when.
And he
And
still
those
loses,
that
but he
find
wins
success are the
more
ones
than
that
he
stick
loses.
around the
It started at
longest.
7:30.
So I never want to see someone
Fuck with
just
it.
spending money they shouldn't. You can't afford to lose, right? It's a lot better than putting your own money into like a personal account and then losing that money. I've done that a lot.
And he will help you with your
People
strategy.
who's been around for a while just put money into
Actually,
your
I
personal
got
account
my
and lost
strategy
it.
from
Now, losing
him.
$5,000 of personal money is a lot worse than losing, $50 or $150 for a.
He's the best on
evaluation
Top
account.
Step TV.
But
Nobody's
start slow.
fucking with
Start
Dakota.
small. Get consistent and have that confidence to where
Watch
I have
that
a
shit.
high confidence that I'm
He
gonna
will help you
pass
with
this
your
account.
strategies.
Then
He's
you
going
can
to
put
tell
on,
you exactly what he did and
maybe
why he did it.
multiple accounts. I had to do that. I was
Alright.
like, man, I tried copy trading 5 accounts in July.
And
I
last but
lost
not least,
those 5 accounts.
last but not least,
And like, screw this.
I want you to do this.
If I can't do it with one, I shouldn't be.
Because this is the most important thing. Trading View. Please write that down. Because this is where you can do your practice on your shit. Look, my shit going. Look at all this shit. They put all my info out there. We're gonna get that out there though. Don't worry, I'm gonna delete this shit as soon as it's done. But go on Trading View, make an account, all that other shit, and learn. And they have a practice thing. They're gonna start you off probably with like $1 million. Trim it down though. Trim it down. Keep it down to about $2,000 and see what you can do with that. See what you can do with that. See if you can grow that. Just know, if you do grow it, don't get overconfident. Because it's different when there's money on the line. The stress level kick up. Now I'm finna go ahead and get into this shit. I'm gonna do a trade, man. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna trade my account. And this is a funded account, by the way. I hope you got everything, bro. But you know what? If you need me to go back into it again, I'll do it again. Because I need somebody to get up there where I'm at right now. So let me go to my top step shit. And I'm gonna attempt to make a trade. And I'm gonna tell you what I'm doing step by step. Let me get up in here real quick, log in. Can't be showing all that shit. Let's get to it. All right. I'm thinking this is going low. So, no, I don't know. I'm looking at it on the 5 minute. I got this level right here. It tried to go past this level right here. Let me open it up some. And it just took a hell of a loss down to here. But once again, it didn't go that far over the levels that I think it was going to go. So it got down to here. And I'm thinking it's going to push. So I'm looking forward to get past this right here. So I want to wait and see. Patience is everything, dog. Patience is everything. Don't jump out the window on a trade. And remember, you have practice. Now I'm trading on top step. They do have a practice, but I ain't practice. If you can look right here, I started off with a $50,000 account, but right now I'm at 49, so I lost like $51.02. So right now I'm looking to see if it can break above this blue line right here. This is called chop right here, which means that the market is undecided. They don't know what they want to do. So depending on what it do between these blue lines is gonna make me say take the trade or not take it. And I really think it's gonna go down, but I don't think it's gonna go down much. So right now I'm looking at it. It went up here, it tested it, got rejected on this candle right here. Let me open it up a little bit more, and here we go. It went up, got rejected, and now it's looking at going down. And it's moving down. I like that. There you go. But I'm not gonna take this trade. See how it just breathed back up? Now it's pushing back down. So it's testing the lows. The sellers are testing the lows. But if you look down here, this is called the volume. It's not a lot of volume in it. Now this right here has a lot of volume. This has a lot of volume. But it's not enough value for me to say, you know what, let me go test it and see if it's gonna go lower. Now it could increase, but I'm looking at it. And it's going. It's going, and I'm about to jump in. I'm in.
Order filled.
Set my stop loss right here at $39. That's my stop loss. If it grow up to there, then it is what it is. And then I'm gonna step my profit down here. $45. Let's see if I can get it. Push that shit down, y'all. Push that shit down. I'm down $5, $8 now. I'm just gonna move this up a little bit right here. And now I'm not moving. If I lose $45, I lose $45. I don't care. Let's see what happened. But I like the fact that it went down, came up, retested it, and got rejected. So I want to see it go all the way down. Come on. Come on, get down there. So far, I done lost $6. All right, I'm up 3 now. Let's go. Push it. And I can tell you right now, this might not be a good trade just by looking at this. I'll show you what I mean. You see how this went? Right around here. Might not be the best trade. But I need to get trade off just to help y'all understand. I don't mind losing the money. Fuck it. Taking losses is like taking wins. You love it when you get it. You take a loss. Well, that's fucked up. You just keep going. And I'm gonna let it run. Push that shit down, bro. Need that. Already lost $50. Come on. Got my stop loss at 45, man. I lose $45. Oh well. But I wanna. This is what I win. If it hit this line, I get $45. So this is a one-on-one. Come on, baby. Come on. I like my chances. If you look right here, it came down, it came back up again, and then it forced its way back down. I like my chances in this. Might not go that way though. A little bit, Favi. Just a little bit. Shout out to you. Hey, Andre, what's going on, man? I'm only streaming on Sunday because the homie, fuck with the homie right now, and me and him we on some level shit. But you can learn from this shit too. Push that shit down. Push it down. It's having a problem. It's having a problem. Now, I ain't going to let it hit that 45. My stop loss is right here at 45. So I'm doing a one-on-one. It's not going to hit. I'm not going to let it. I'm not going to lose $45. I'm going to end this motherfucking trade. And the way I end it is by hitting this X right here. Get your ass down there. It's about to break. It's right there. It might not break the other one, but shit, let's break this one, dog, first. I'm going to switch it to a 1 minute. No, I'm not. I'm going to just do it like this. What people don't know, I got 2 screens. I got a screen right here and the screen right here. This, y'all watching this one, I have another screen over here. Come on. If it break that, I'm adding on to it. That means I'm going to add another contract to it. Because remember, we trading contracts. We're not trading now. Okay, let's get in there then. Oh, I'm talking too much. Come on. Push, 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 push. This might come back on me. But I want to give it room to play. I'm going to just bring this down a little bit more. Now I'm risking $38 on this trade. Come on. And it's having, you see this line right here? It's having a difficulty getting past that line. I like that. Push it, push it, push it. There we go. Now I got to break through this. Got to break through this. Broke through it. It's going to go back up. I know that. I understand it's going to go back up. So I'm going to raise it back up to about $46 loss. It would never see that though. We breaking through, breaking through. Come on, baby. If it crosses this little line right here, I might be in trouble. I might be in trouble right now. Come on. I'm looking at the volume right here. It's not a lot of volume for them to go as far as the buyers. I'm going short. Or you could call it a put. I'm saying it's going to go lower. And it's saying it's not. But I'm going to give it some room to play within these candles. But if I don't like the trade, I'm going to cut it. And it's already going that, it's going the opposite direction. I'm cool with that. For it to go lower, sometimes it has to go higher. There we go. Ooh. I still like my chances though. Shout out to Fabi. You said you learn and you can teach. I can teach a little bit, bro. Hell, it ain't no different from what you done taught me. How did I know it was a ball joint? Swapping information, brother. Here we go. I'm looking at the volume down here. This is strong. It's a little strong. Not crazy. Push the shit down. Hey, yo, I'm finna get bold right now. That's facts, though, bro. That's facts. For sure. Yeah, true. No doubt. Push this shit down some more, though. Now, I never been down this far before. Well, it has been, but we're going to try to push it down even more. Remember what I said about the tails and the body? Look at it, look how they pushing it. That's the tail. That means it's pushing down. I'm going to add one. And you can do that. I'm going to add one. Ooh, it just came back ugly on my ass, though. Might need to relax. And just stretch this out a little bit. Once it come across this line, I'm in trouble. Let me get rid of these other lines. Here we go. Here we go. Push that shit down. Push it down. This might be a good trade. I like the way it's going, but it's bouncing off that shit. It's bouncing off this right here. Let me bring this down. It's bouncing off right here. Yeah, here it comes. Fucking cunt. You fucking cunt. I'm gonna lower this and take a less loss just in case it come all the way up. So I'm at 39. Now I'm gonna increase. Come on, baby. Don't make me look bad on the first day. Damn. Let's go, baby. Oh, I see it. Come on. Bring it down. Bring it down. I see this right here and this right here. It's gonna go up on me. I know that. Get that shit down. Now, if I choose to end the trade, I can end it right now and say, you know what, fucking, I ain't fucking with this. And I can end it. But here, it's having a problem getting past this. This blue line right here is having a problem getting through it. And which is, it's telling me right now, you know what, just leave it alone. Because here it go. Get your ass down. I'm down $8. Down $10. I'm okay with that. To go down, it has to go up and vice versa. Come on, baby. Long ass trade. How long I been in this trade? Get your ass down. You know what? I'm gonna add one. If you see it, I'm at 2 right now. I got 2 contracts. I'm gonna add another contract because I think it's going down.
Order
So I'm
filled.
adding a contract. Now I'm at 3. Now that's a dangerous choice that I made because I can lose more. It went from 40 something to now 58. So what I'm gonna do is just that. But you all see if it hit this right here, I'll make $68. I think it's going down. But the whole thing is I can stop the trade whenever I want to. Down $13. I ain't tripping. Come on. Come on. I'm just gonna bring this down to adjust my losses to $35. Do you want to go up or down? I wanted to go down. If you see it like this is red and this is red, that means I'm losing. If this was green, where the 3 at, that means I'm winning. So I'm down $7 right now. And here it comes. But I'm watching this line that I made right here. This I wanted to go down. When you see that this red right here where the 3 is, and you just right here, this is my profit that I want to make. That's where I'm trying to keep it at. This right here is my stop loss. So if it touched this, my trade is over with. They're gonna take me out of the trade. And right now here it comes. This is what you call managing a trade. I'm not willing to lose more than $35. If they take me out of 35, I'm not gonna like it. But you know what? You always can get back into the trade. And steady pushing down. I'm up 50 cents. Come on. Push this bitch down. And if you see it bouncing like that, I'm having resistance. They don't want to go down that low. The buyers don't want me to go down that low. But they keep touching 1 time, 2 times, 3 times, 4. There it go, baby. We in there. I'm out. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Woo. That's what I'm talking about right there, baby. They took me out right here. Look up here. To realize what happened is they it hit my stop loss. It hit my target. So remember I was at 49 something, now I'm at 50. I was right. Basically I was right. It hit my stop. It hit my target. And it hit my stop loss. So I didn't lose no money. I made money. So I made $65.78 off that trade. Hey, when you get a chance, go back on YouTube, rewind it back, and you will watch the trade all over again. Just that trade, somewhere around here. What time is it? 8:38. I won the trade. So I made $65.78. You see this right here? Let me show you with the thing. That's what I won off that trade. Man, I might know what I'm talking about. But just look at this. Hold on. Get this shit out of here, man. What is that? Get out of here, bro. What is it? Why is this even on here? Get this shit out of here. If you now it's finna pump back up. Now I'm finna look at it again. It hit my target. You remember I had the stop loss? It never hit my stop loss, but I had a target of what I wanted to make, and it hit it. Remember what I talked about, the body? This is the body right here. Let me open it up a little bit. This is the body right here, but it got as low as to here. And it hit my my profit. So I might know what I'm doing a little bit out here. So I'm back right now. If you remember, it was 49. Now I'm back to 50. You see what I'm saying? If you want me to keep doing this, dog, I will keep doing this. But it might be having, Fab, you might be right, dog. You might have to come over here. I might have to get ready for you. so you can understand it a little bit better, you might have to come over here. That's if you trust me enough. No, I ain't gonna do no foul shit to you. But now it's look, it hit here. This is the let me show you. This is the body of the candle. This is the how far it went down. So it hit my target as far as what I wanted to make as money. It went actually past that. And get more followers. Yeah, I appreciate that. If I get more followers, that's cool. But I really I don't, I don't do this for followers. This is the first time I ever streamed me trading. This is the first time I ever did this. I do not stream for, as far as trading, I do not stream for followers. This is the first time I ever did this. Shit, you ain't gotta follow me. I just wanted to prove a point. The boy know how to trade a little bit. A little bit. That's it. And I see another trade coming in. I see a perfect setup. Look at this right here. Let me open it up. Look at this right here. Look at this right here. Look at this right here. It's going up. Now where it's going to go up to is probably here. But I'm not going to take that trade. Because it seemed, and look at this right here. They pissed off about that. The buyers are pissed off. So you could pick what sides you want to run with. They are pissed off. And I'm about to jump into another one. But this time I'm just gonna take something off. I'm only gonna trade one contract. I had 3 on that last one. But the thing is, I'm watching this, okay, past this, that's cool. It need to pass this for me. And look, they don't like it. No, dog, when I usually do trading, I don't do it live. This is the first time I ever did it live, so I look good today. That's it. That's today. Only today. And remember what I told you, don't do what I do? I'm doing it right now. So go ahead, man. Get you some sleep and stuff like that, man. I gotta be somewhere tomorrow too, just like you. I'm gonna end this shit, man. But I'm feeling myself right now because I believe if we get to a certain area, it's gonna blow. Look how low it went. Remember the stems or whatever. Let me open it up a little bit. Look at this stem as high as it went, and then from there it went up. It went this low, and motherfucking buyers got pissed off, and they pushed that shit all the way up to here. So shit, I think it's another opportunity because I can choose to buy too. All right, man. You take care of it. Take it. Matter of fact, I'm getting the fuck up out of here. This is a good run, dog. Love it. Love it. Just let me know if you want to do it again. Hold on. We got some people up in this motherfucker. Y'all want to see me do it again? Y'all better speak up. You want to see me do it again? I'll do it again. Go ahead, man. Appreciate you showing up, Ivy. Everybody else up in here, I'm thinking about doing it again. Cause now the shit done changed. Let's get rid of this. And now let's change it to this. Let's watch it right. This is what I'm thinking. And this is actually bigger. It already crossed it once. I want to make sure I got it right, though. I don't want to. It should go like this. And like this. If it crossed this right here, I'm taking that trade. 100%. This is the last trade for the night, though, man. Hold on, I don't like the way this look. About right here. If it crossed this line and this line, I'm gone with it. Shout out to you, Fabi. Man, thank you for watching, though, bro. Appreciate you. But I'm looking at another trade. And if it go past this, I'm going heavy. I don't give a fuck. I'm going heavy. One, two, three. It's momentum is going up. This is a strong candle. This is a weak candle. That's a weaker candle. I don't think it's gonna do that. I think it's gonna bounce off of this candle right here. I think it's gonna bounce off this candle. Shit. It's already pushing past where I wanted to be. I didn't know y'all like trading though, man. Y'all like trading? Shit. If you want to learn it, man, listen. I'm not no motherfucking can teach you trading like that. And here we go. Let's see what it do. I'm ready to buy. When I say I'm ready to buy, I'm thinking it's gonna push past that, but I don't see the volume behind that. This is strong volume right here. That was strong. Weak, weaker. Let's see what this one gonna do. Nah, I can't invest into that one. But if it crossed that line, I'm ready. I think it's gonna break, though. You gotta remember what chop is. This is all chop right up in here. I made money in chop, so that's cool. Yes. No. It's not how much money is. I'm trying to pass this test, Andrea. I'm trying to pass the test. I have to make 53,000 to get there. Understand, this is not my money. This is what they call, well, it's what they call a funded account. So they say, well, we give you 50,000. They lying. You really got 2,000. You got to take that 2,000 and turn that 2,000 to 53 to pass a test. I know I can pass the test, so I ain't worried about that part. And now I'm looking at all this over here. It's a clear path, though. It's really a clear path. I need to break past this. You didn't know I can do that shit, though, huh? Yeah. Your boy is skilled a little bit. You know, just a little skilled. So I want to see what it's going to do. I'm nowhere near. I need to have 53,000. Right now I'm at $50,015. But don't do that. What you're doing right now, don't do that, because you're gonna make me go crazy. I don't want to do that. Got a good push right here. I'm looking at this candle right here. That's a strong push. Got weaker, got strong, and even weaker. I think it's gonna go down. What do you mean? Oh no, I don't want to be gassed up. No, this type of shit is like you don't even. You have to use your intelligence on this shit. And to keep it a buck, I'm really not that intelligent in this shit. But if it crosses this blue line, I'm gonna be with it. Now, only thing I want to look is see how far. Okay, I need to cross this blue line, and I'm gonna go long. Going long means I think it's gonna go up more. This is a hell of a push, though. I should just jump in it right now. But if it can't clear this level right here, if it can't clear this, I don't want nothing to do with it. Cause it's choppy. You got this, it did this, it did this, it did this. I'm not interested. I need strong moves. These moves are not strong. You know, this was a strong move right here. Then not so strong, not so strong, and now it's working on this one. I don't think it's strong enough to go. But I think you can do it. I just want to look at the 1 minute real quick, please. This is the 1 minute, and it's showing that, oh yeah, it's finna go down. Glad I ain't drop in. And it got down to here. Oh yeah. I'm gonna stay on, I'm staying on shorts right now. When I say shorts, I think it's gonna go lower where it's at right now. So this is where it's at right now, about right here. I think it's gonna go shorter. But I can't make no move because other than this, it's just working in the range. From here to here, this is a range right here. So I can't make a move. If it clear over here, then we'll talk about it. But if it go down here, that was a damn good trade I made. Are you close to the amount that you're about to pass? Hell no. Shit. I had to clear, follow this. This has to be 53. I'm at 50. So I need to make like $2,085 basically. I can't go under this, which is 48.70. If I do that, the count is blown. I made this on the last trade, shit like that. But I can't stay up too much longer, man. I can't stay up too much longer. And I had the option to bet heavy too. But I'm not going to do that right now. Because I'm looking at this shit. This blue line right now is saying, this blue line right here is saying it's trending upwards. And I believe it is going to trend upwards. But I won't believe it until it cross this line. If it crossed this line, I would bet heavy on it. But this is right here, this shit in this middle area, that's just, they call it chop. That means you shouldn't bet on it because you don't know which way it's going to go. It's like a spring. You keep compressing it, and then sooner or later it's just going to go one way or the other. Right now it's pointing as it's going to go up. But you don't know. Look at it, it's going down now. Red means it's going down, green means it's going up. Simple shit. The whole thing about it is if you can get it, if you can understand it enough and be able to buy or sell with the right amount of leverage, you can make a fucking lot of money. And I've been trying to do this shit for shit. I had to go look at my lease. So I've been staying here about 6 years, and I know I was looking at it in my last spot for at least a year or two. So it was like 8 years I've been watching this shit. I was undermining myself. But I gotta end this shit though. Cause either they're gonna go up. If it go down again, I can't fuck with it. I'm done with it. I gotta end this shit. Yeah, your boy can trade. He know how to trade a little bit. But this is called a trading combine. So I have to reach $53,000 to pass it, and then they will give me an account where I can make real money. So I have to pass. This is just a test. So you're watching me really do the test. And I just proved my point though. See, it's about right here. It look like it's gonna go down though. Of course, it look like. Yeah, because it just hit that again. If it crosses though, I'm in. I gotta get in. I think it's finna go down. I'm not gonna do it, but right here with this blue line I just lifted up, I think it's gonna go down some more. But I don't see enough volume for it to go down. Cheap views for what? Man, come on now, dog. You fucking with my shit, dog. We don't need to do none of that. No, I'm about to shut it down, though. I think it's gonna go down again. It might go back down to this spot. But if it does, I want to bid heavy. Because it keep getting rejected right here. 1, 2, 3. It's getting rejected. I should go heavy right here because it's going down. I know it's going down. But I'm looking for the big money. I don't want that little money. That's 230. That's 837. And where I got it, my stuff is 43. So you're talking about 30 something ticks. Yeah, I'm gonna shut it down, man. Appreciate y'all, man. I'm getting the fuck up out of here, man. I don't want to waste my energy on this. Good shit, though. Y'all stay up, man, and get down. I'll be back on stream tomorrow. Peace, peace. Crazy.